Problem number 3 is composed of 3 circles with 3 different textures. To find the probability of all these textures, we will first start with the small circle and the solid. To find the area of this and basically the probability, which is target over total, you'd have to find the area of the circle. First to do that is you take pi r squared, which you insert 4 as a radius, and you get 16 pi over the total, which would be 100 pi, because you'd have to divide this by 2 to get 10, which is the radius of this big circle, and then square it, and then times it by pi. The answer of that, where you get 16 pi over 100 pi, which equals to 0.16 or 16%. That is the probability. Next, you'd have to find the dotted portion of this problem. To find that, you'd have to find the radius of this circle and subtract it from this area of the small dark solid circle. So, which it gives you the radius, which is 8 inches, and you'd square that, and then multiply it by pi, which is 64 pi. Then you'd have to subtract it from 16 pi, which we already figured out, which would get you to 48 pi, and you put it over the whole total, and you get 48 pi over 100 pi equals 0.48 or 48%, which is a probability. The last one is a big circle, which not really the big one, but the lined area of it. And to find that, you'd have to find the total of the total, which we already figured out is 100 pi, and subtract it from this circle. To do that, so you have to do 100 pi minus 64 pi and put it over 100 pi, which is the total. So you get 36 pi over 100 pi equals 0.36 or 36%. So hopefully that helps, and that's how you figure out problem number 3.